Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir had a big drop today, even though, the fundamentals are quite good. So let's look at this article here that I just pulled up. Palantir Technologies posted better than expected sales growth for the third quarter and boosted its full year revenue and cash flow targets. But Palantir shares are selling off on Tuesday on concerns that its government business was softer than expected in the quarter. This is why I do technical analysis and not fundamental analysis, because concerns that its government business was softer than expected. What does that mean? If this is a fact, then I am a unicorn. This is not a fact. This is just a concern. This is just a concern. So a concern is a psychological state. It's an emotion. Facts are fact, and concerns and stories you make up in your heads are emotions, or it's psychology. The stock market moves on psychology, not on facts, because facts are interpreted and they can be interpreted different ways. Anyway, my rant is over. Let's look at the disaster that happened. So Palantir closed closed down $2.50. That's minus 9.35%. We closed at 24.25. At post market, we are down a further 10 cents. Come on. Okay, let's look at this disaster. So we have a big, huge red candle with a little bit of a buying pressure at the bottom, just to make us feel better. So yesterday we closed on the resistance right here, on the bullish channel resistance, on the secondary bullish channel. The main bullish channel is right here, and we don't seem to be able to get back into it. And we opened right here just under 26. 26 was a decent support. It's a support that used regularly last week. And we opened right underneath it. But look at this, almost right smack on it. Just as if to tell us, okay, you're 26. I don't like your 26 support. I'm going to open below. And then the stock went just straight down. Let's go see the 1 hour chart here. So we opened right above the support, went straight down, and basically we have been bouncing a little bit down and are basically going sideways. That's a little bit of a disappointment, to say the least. In terms of number of shares exchanged, we were at 116 million shares. This is absolutely crazy. And let's look at what we have here on TradingView. We have a surprise 0.003 beat. That's a very small beat, but it's supposed to be a beat. And we have a revenue beat. As I've been saying, psychology runs the show in technicals. That's it. That's all. Let's look at our indicators now. So we have stochastic at 25, super low. We see that RSI, the strength of the stock just cratered. So we had this trend in increase in the strength of the stock, and we just broke that down. MACD is still bearishly positive. And I have an extra thing here, and the DMI just turned bearish. What are we left with? We have support at 23.74. This is what I'm going to say. 23.74 needs to hold. Last case result, 23.10. Last case result. If 23.10 hold, then we are just plunging. So 23.74 and 23.10. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.